How to turn on restricted mode on YouTube on PC. If you use YouTube on your browser and you want to learn how you can enable a restricted mode on your YouTube app on computer because you don't want to see explicit content. Here I have already went to youtube.com and logged into my respective YouTube account. Now to enable restricted mode or to disable it, whatever else it is you want to do, click on your profile icon which is located at the top right hand side of the screen. After you've done that, right there, if you scroll down, you'll find this shield icon that says restricted mode. Currently, mine is turned off. If you want to enable it, just click on it and then just turn on activate restricted mode toggle right here. And then after you've done that, your YouTube browser will refresh and restricted mode will be enabled. This way you'll be able to enable restricted mode on your YouTube app and computer. I hope the video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.